Hello, this is Maths with Lemon, and in this topic we will see the trigonometric modeling and trigonometric equations. Let's see what the problem says. Two identical water waves pass a sensor in an oceanography laboratory. As the waves pass the sensor, the depth d in meters of the water is recorded and modeled by the function, this function, where t is the elapsed time in seconds since the first wave hit the sensor. Find the minimum and maximum depths of the water as the two waves pass the sensor. And B, find the first time after 16 seconds at which the depth of the water reaches 3.5 meters. Easy questions, but you have to understand what they ask me. So let's see. These questions usually are being solved by with the usage of the calculator. So let me bring my calculator, the TI here. So first thing, I will put my equation 3.21 minus 0.45 cos 24.2 x instead of t, and I close the bracket. Be careful, inside here 24.2, this is in degrees. Let me see, let me graph it. So you see my graph is not the graph that I was expecting, a trigonometric graph function. So what should I immediately understand? I should realize that I made a mistake with the mode and my radians or degrees. So obviously here the mode is in radians because I want it to be in degrees. So I go, you can see it up here, radian.
وهكذا هلا فهمت.
So you go to your mode and you change from radian to degrees. Let's see. Graph, there is it. Now I want, my first question says find the maximum and minimum. How should I do it? Easy. I will just go here to my graph calculator, second trace, and I want what? The maximum first. So I will go before the maximum, left bound, right bound after the maximum, and somewhere here make a guess. So how much is it? 3.66 meters. That's my maximum. Let me find my minimum. So again the same process, second trace, minimum. I'll go left bound before the minimum, right bound after the minimum, and then a guess in the middle. So it will give me what? 2.76 meters as a minimum. There is it. Easy, only using the calculator. Now how about B? B says find the first time after 16 seconds at which the depth of the water reaches 3.5 meters. Now basically what do they ask me here? They ask me first of all where to find to see where the 3.5 meters is concerning my function. Let me see it. What I will do, y equals, let me see where is this 3.5 meters as a height. So here you can see it. This is the 3.5 meters, and here is the wave. Now I don't want just to take the intersection of whichever point. What? Here it says the problem after 16 seconds. So basically I need to find where is that 16 seconds, so as to understand which is the intersection point that I'm searching for, looking for. So second, trace again, and I want the value. Which value? I want the value when x is 16. Where is that? So it's here. So as you see, how much is the value when the time is 16 seconds? 2.8 meters. But I want after that. I want to see when it is 3.5. So basically, second trace, intersection. The first curve is that. The second is that. Make a guess. Let me go close to my point. There. So when time is 20.25, I have x for b, x equals 20.3, because I always have to round in 3 significant figures in the exams, if not mentioned else differently, seconds. And that's how I deal with these kind of trigonometric functions.